Run back. Excellent. So the difference with the second and the third kick. Second kick, we have a very wide circle from here to here. Third kick, we narrow the circle so we just cross the midline. Imagine if you were actually hitting someone just past the point of hitting them. So instead of coming to here, just here, and then down. So we go up, across the midline, and down. Down. Now, on the turn, we increase the width of that circle, and that turns us around. So as you go around, I want you to be aware of the parts of the circle, so which numbers on the clock are not accessible to your hip. So for example, here, between 2 and 1 o'clock, it's a bit difficult to get into there for me. So I can slightly press into those areas. I don't want you to push too hard, but just slightly. And as you slightly press into those areas, doing this every day, every few days, you're going to find that you start to get more of a fluid circle through the hip. Okay, so let's do a few more. Good, and then come up. Now we'll go together. So we turn to the front, we step forward, and then first going to the right, this way. And change direction. So the movement is just to rock back, and then we come down with the elbow into the navel, forward. And as we do so, we open this back foot. So we have the same lower body position as with lion. Here. This is wild boar. And then 2 steps. 1, 2. Then step through, cut towards the knee and block high. And then back. 1, 2, and here we're going to open this hip. Open, down, here. So open. Press onto this right foot and then jump onto the left. So from here, open, here. Run back. Boar. One, 2, open, run back. Wild boar. Rock back, forward, cut, back. 1, 2, open, back, open. Relax the body. Strong focus. Relax your shoulders. Relax the body. Finish there. Good. Well done. Excellent. Any excess tension, try to drop it. Take 2 or 3 breaths and then come up. Again, forward and down. Let the body hang. Make the exhalation as long as you can. forward and up. Once more, forward and down. We will keep going with this form. We'll finish it in the next couple of weeks. Until then, from me, Nale Kanam, have a good week.